Alright, back up with another video. I got here 18 f250. I'm gonna remove this windshield. So actually I'm gonna replace it. So using the orange bat, got it all set up. Core is all around. You guys gotta be careful with these trucks. F150, F250 and 350. The foam, this foam right here, right there, is too high. You can't see, you can't see it from outside. So you guys gotta be careful. Make sure you show that to the customer. And it's never straight. It goes down and goes up and down again. Just make sure you show it to the customer before you get in trouble. So I'm gonna cut the bottom first. Good. I'm just gonna make sure the line is where it's supposed to be. Yeah. I gotta put tape on the top because the wire, that core comes out. All right, so let's begin with the work. So I'm gonna go the other one a little bit. Go to the top. That's gonna do the work. Got it. There. And have to keep going in the bottom. Too tight over here on the bottom. Lock this right here because it's going to start moving any second. There we go. Now remove this lock from the bottom and continue with the top. Already out. So as you guys can see, I cut this windshield completely full cut with the orange bat. One position, no need to move up, down, or any other angle. I put it kind of like this. I don't know if it's 45 degree, I don't know, but just set up at this position. It's about maybe about 5 inches, 5-6 inches from the roof, and it's another 5-6 inches from the pillar. Good. Sitting it with the quick set. Down a little bit. Right there. Good. Now let's put the mirror back in place. There you go. Now I need to put the cowling back together and another more successful installation.